Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Riz and welcome to the channel. In this quick and awesome video, I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror your Redmi phone to your TCL Android TV. Completely free, no third-party apps. Alright, so let's just dive right into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do on your Redmi phone is, or any other Android phone, is to make sure your Redmi phone is connected to something. In this case, I would recommend you use your home Wi-Fi, but if you don't have home Wi-Fi, I would give you the second option to go for a portable hotspot. But again, I would definitely recommend you home Wi-Fi. Again, only use the portable hotspot when you don't have the home Wi-Fi, okay? Because portable hotspot uses mobile data, and mobile data is not free depending on your network, okay? So it might cost you credit, so just be careful with it. In this case, I'm just gonna use my home Wi-Fi, so let's just dive right into it. Alright, so now we need to do the exact same thing on your TCL TV. So head over to the settings page and go to your network and internet settings. Now head inside the network and internet settings, make sure your TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi or the portable hotspot that is running from your phone. As you can see, I have my home Wi-Fi and a portable hotspot as well. Again, be careful with the portable hotspot, okay? Alright, so once your TV is connected to either one of your connections, whichever you like, whichever you prefer. In this case, I prefer the Wi-Fi, so just that's it. That's all we need to do on your TV. So alright, so now head over to the settings and go to the connection and sharing settings. Inside the connection and sharing settings, find the wireless display settings. Now it will automatically search for all the TVs, all the Android TVs or non-Android TVs in the background. So as you can see, I have my TCL. Click on it and just click start, and that's it. Pretty simple. That's it. That's it for the video. By the way, I'll stick to the end. I'll show you how you can stop this. Really simple. By the way, if you like the video, please leave a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe, okay? Alright, so now how to stop this? Really simple. Go back to the settings and go to the connection and sharing settings. By the way, these settings will be different depending on what phone you're using, okay? So if you're using Samsung, it should be called Smart View. If you're using LG, it's gonna be called Miracast or something. It's just find the settings in the connection and sharing settings. And that's it for the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.